Like, start the video.
No, I'm not gonna start a video like that. Okay.
Yes, you would.
Tell me why you like it up the ass so much.
Tell me why your mom liked it when I gave it to her up the ass so much. Can't believe I just said that.
Tell me why your mom likes me.
Tell me why your mom wants my D.
Tell me why my mom does.
Tell me why your mom tried getting on my D last night.
Tell me why your mom did get on my D last night.
Tell me why you just told me that.
Tell me why I'm telling you again.
Tell me why. Okay, I have nothing to say. You won.
Her mom wants it. Just saying.
Our mom already got it for me.
Mom already got it twice from me.
Oh. When did you already say that? She's gay.
Fuck, you had crabs, dude.
No,
I'm being honest shit with you. She
No,
has crabs. She needs to shave that.
No!